I am Council Bide from the Ministry of Justice. So, my first observation will focus on the Constitution, which is the supreme law. Now, the Constitution, she highlighted in her, and the Minister also highlighted in his presentation, that these fundamental rights could be limited under Section 25. And then they bring the issue of, sovereignty, integrity of the Gambia, national security, public order, decency, and morality. However, if you look at the provision very well, it starts with the word that, insofar as the law imposes reasonable restriction on the exercise of the right and freedom thereby conferred, which are necessary in a democratic society. That is omitted during the presentation. That is very important for me. That would be the test to determine whether the restrictions are justifiable or not. Because using that, and they use the word "and," then the national security is an additional factor. The first part of it is whether it is justifiable in a democratic state.
So the first question is on Article 25 of the Constitution, and the suggestion that an independent body should register journalists and not plural.
I think through my presentation, what I try to highlight is we are not creating something new. What we are doing is acting within what the mandate that has been given to us under the law.